Welcome to the video. Organic Charentais. Amazing taste. Nowhere you can buy organic Charentais like in the swamp nature preserve farm here. So this is a caramel taste. This very unique taste. Nowhere you find Charentais. Dense and hydrating with unique taste. This is really amazing stuff. Look how beautiful the Charentais looks. Perfect, a very hard peel and no bad spots, nothing. Ripens slowly but perfect, and when it's getting a little bit soft, the downside, then the rest is still, people gonna think it's hard, but it's ready to eat. So amazing stuff. This is nowhere to get. Loaded with nutrition, people. Straight from the vine 2 days ago. It's already ripe. It's even not warm in the house, but they ripen perfect compared to other organic Charentais that is harvested before ripe. This one is the best one that you can get without ripening issues and with the unique, super tasty melon flesh. This is hydration, cellular hydration at the top level, H3O2. So nothing can hydrate the human body besides fruits because of the hydrogen more than water.